Gemini Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Gemini Crypto Exchange is known for its robust security features and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned investors. Gemini was built with a priority on regulatory compliance, which sets it apart from many other exchanges. It's a fully licensed New York-based platform, so users can feel confident in the platform's stability and legitimacy. The sign-up and verification process is straightforward, though it may take a bit of time due to its strict compliance standards. Once set up, you'll notice a clean, intuitive dashboard with access to a broad range of cryptocurrencies. Over 90 assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and smaller altcoins. This variety caters to casual users and professionals looking to diversify their portfolios. One standout feature is the Gemini Earn program, allowing users to earn interest on crypto holdings, which is ideal for those wanting passive growth. They also offer Gemini Pay, a unique feature allowing users to spend crypto at thousands of retail locations, adding real-world usability to digital assets. The mobile app mirrors the desktop experience, providing full functionality to trade, earn, or spend crypto seamlessly on the go. Gemini also prioritizes security with cold storage for funds and insurance coverage, a huge plus for anyone concerned about hacking risks. In terms of fees, Gemini offers a straightforward but slightly higher fee structure than some competitors, with 1.49% for transactions above $200 and a fixed fee for lower amounts. However, if you're a more active trader, Gemini's Active Trader platform has a tiered fee structure that's competitive with major exchanges. For those managing larger volumes or looking for advanced features, this platform also includes complex trading options like block trading, limit orders, and more detailed charting tools. Gemini is ideal for users who value security, regulatory oversight, and ease of use. If you're looking for advanced trading features or options to earn and spend crypto, it's a solid choice with a reliable reputation. While the fees may be a bit higher, the range of services and security measures make it worth the cost. Overall, Gemini is a well-rounded exchange, delivering a secure, versatile, and user-friendly experience suitable for nearly any type of crypto investor.